The UFC event on January 12th delivered an unforgettable night once again. Fans of combat sports were on the edge of their seats as Brazilian César Almeida faced off against Ghanaian AbdulRazak Alhassan. This marquee fight turned into a true battle of strength, both technically and physically. Almeida, known for his kickboxing background and effective striking, had previously showcased his ability to keep opponents at bay with precise distance control. However, his opponent Alhassan was a powerhouse renowned for his explosive knockout ability, which he had demonstrated multiple times in his MMA career. From the start, the contrast in their styles provided the audience with an electrifying spectacle. In the first round, Almeida displayed his technical prowess, landing highly accurate low kicks that disrupted Alhassan's rhythm. Alhassan, though, maintained his composure, patiently waiting for the right opportunity to counter-attack. During this round, the crowd witnessed Almeida's dominance in controlling the pace, but Alhassan's explosive potential loomed like a storm ready to strike. As the second round unfolded, Alhassan changed the tempo of the fight. He successfully took Almeida to the ground and delivered powerful ground and pound strikes that inflicted significant damage. Almeida struggled to escape the ground pressure and attempted to reset his game on the feet, but Alhassan's physical strength made it an uphill battle. This round showcased the pinnacle of two contrasting fighting styles, captivating the audience. By the final round, Alhassan had fully seized control. He secured another takedown and overwhelmed Almeida with relentless ground and pound strikes, turning the fight completely in his favor. Despite Almeida's resilience and determination, he could not withstand Alhassan's pressure, leading the referee to stop the fight via TKO. Post-fight, Alhassan's victory added another milestone to his career, marking his 13th win. Fans were left in awe of his performance in the octagon. Almeida, despite the loss, proved his potential yet again and expressed in his post-fight statement that this experience would make him a better fighter moving forward. The UFC event on January 12th was more than just a fight. The technical brilliance and raw physicality displayed in this clash provided an unforgettable experience for everyone watching. The night's standout, Alhassan, sent a clear message for future matchups. His journey to the top continues.